Roland says the weather pattern is stuck in a rut.
Yeah, it's just one of those scenarios that once we get the jet stream finally migrating and starting to do its thing across the country, then we're going to be seeing a return to more of a normal, shall we say, winter-like pattern. However, guys, within this big area of high pressure that we have here across right now, the western United States, we are seeing some showers that I'm going to show you on the Doppler radar, and those showers are indeed affecting parts of Idaho. But this is that big winter storm that's wrapping up, and as you can see, some of that snow is still affecting the northeastern corridor, primarily in and around New England. That's where the core of the storm has been, but for us, we're starting to see some clouds, and we're also starting to see a few showers. They're going to be very passing in nature. I think any shower activity that we see is going to be happening throughout the night tonight, and this is why the shower activity is occurring. We have this large area of high pressure that's still holding on to much of the western United States. However, yesterday I was telling you about a batch of moisture that was coming up from Southern California, and it was going to start working its way north into Nevada. The best potential for showers was supposed to be around the southeastern part of the state, but it looks like this low is expanding enough that now we're starting to see a little bit of shower activity working its way into parts of the Treasure Valley. Here's Mountain Home right here, and look at that band of rain that's moving up from the southwest from the southeast up toward the northwest. Now, it's not going to be a big deluge, but I would anticipate having some umbrellas handy just in case if you have plans to go out this evening. The heaviest of the rain, excuse me, looks like it's going to be affecting the I-84 corridor between Mountain Home and Twin Falls. In fact, you see that darker shade right there on the Doppler radar. That is a little spin up of moisture. That's what we call a vorticity max. It's just one of those things that means that there's a piece of energy that's spinning up, and this is the area between Mountain Home and Twin Falls that's going to be seeing some fairly heavy rain over the next couple of hours. There's that weak low right there, and as it continues to move off toward the east very rapidly, it's going to allow drier conditions to start moving in tomorrow. So most of the shower activity is going to be done after about midnight or before sunrise tomorrow morning. On the Futurecast, midnight, there you see the best potential for the showers right here across primarily the Magic Valley. Again, we may see a few showers here in the Treasure Valley, but it's going to start drying out very rapidly. Tomorrow morning, most of the shower activity moving off into the southeastern part of the state, and then by tomorrow afternoon, I'm actually hoping to see a little break in the cloud cover and maybe even drier conditions expected here by the end of the week that will allow a little more sunshine to come back in. 41 degrees for the high temperature tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, a slight chance of a shower early in the morning, patchy dense fog, and the temperatures are going to stay on the fairly mild side. High temperatures right around the low 40s for daytime highs tomorrow. There's the mostly cloudy conditions. And then drier conditions with a little more sunshine on Thursday. Looks okay Friday, looks dry on Saturday. And Brent, I think we're going to be seeing a chance of some showers around the 1st of next week. The forecast models are kind of trending toward a little better chance of shower activity around Monday or Tuesday of next week. Boy, I'm going to keep my fingers crossed for that. But this storm will generate a few showers around some of the mountain areas tonight, but it's going to be mostly cloudy tomorrow, with fairly dry conditions on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and Sunday for the mountains, with a little rain-snow mix expected by Monday and Tuesday. So some showers tonight, courtesy of that weak low to the south. It's going to brush by, it's going to move out of here, and then we'll just be dry again for the next few days.
Fog in the morning?
Oh yes, that's always a possibility, especially after showers at night.
That's the rut I was talking about. Okay, thanks, Roland.